Here I have Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. By holding your finger on it, you can't access anything. So by just tapping on it, you can switch its audio. For example, you can select device audio, microphone, or both, and you can also show touches on the screen. So by tapping start, after countdown, recording starts. So now it's on, we can record our screen. So when you're done recording, you just go to the upper bar and tap stop here. And after that, recording will be saved to the gallery, to the photos, to this movies section. Recording starts, so now it's on, we can record our screen. So from here you can share, edit, delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.